Hey guys, it's Liz. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be talking about this CAS'EE whitening essence. So if you wanna know my thoughts about this product, then just keep on watching. Kung hindi pa familiar sa inyo yung Shopping99, online shop sila guys, and marami silang iba't ibang products na binibenta. So they have face care, body care, and meron din silang makeup. So pagpunta nyo talaga sa website nila, meron silang the best-selling products. Tapos, ayan, sobrang dami. So this one is from Taiwan. Pati itong CAS'EE whitening essence, this one is made in Taiwan. So yeah, ililink ko na lang yung website nila down in the description box. So be sure to check them out if you guys are interested. So ito yung itsura ng packaging niya. Ayan. So we are gonna open it up. My dog's there. I'm sorry, I'm not focusing. Hello. Okay. Ito yung bottle niya. 30 ml to guys. Ayan. So sa pagkakaalam ko, the original price is 1,888 pero naging 859 na lang. Medyo pricey pa rin, but malay natin maganda yung result, diba? So let's just try this one out later. It moisturizes and hydrates our skin, and effective din daw to sa paglalighten ng dark spots or yung anong tawag dun, hyperpigmentation. Tapos it protects our skin cells, and this one is suitable for all skin types. Okay, so it looks like this. So, I'm gonna try to apply it dito muna. I suggest you do a patch test first before applying the product to your whole face, just to make sure na hindi kayo mag-allergic reaction, especially if your skin is super sensitive. So, I'm just gonna put it here first. Oh, wait, ano to? Let's see if mag-absorb talaga siya real quick sa ating skin. My dog is snoring. Pasensya na. Okay, so later on, I'm gonna show you guys how to put it sa mukha talaga. Hindi din siya mahapde or anything. It's just cold. And yeah. So ang sabi dito, nag-absorb siya quickly. So baka nadamihan kayong paglagay, kaya medyo matagal siyang nag-absorb. But yeah, it's okay. It's not dry at all. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's not dry at all. It's not oily or anything. Parang namo-moisturize niya yung skin. So let's try it sa whole face natin. But I don't think makikita talaga yung result after this one. I might update you guys sa vlogs if ever nakakapag-vlog ako, kasi minsan na lang ako makakapag-vlog kasi dito lang naman ako sa bahay. So, kung na-notice nyo na lagi na lang sit-down videos yung ginagawa ko, it's because dito lang ako lagi sa bahay. So, yeah, I'm gonna try this one. Let's just hope na hindi mag-allergic reactions. So, yeah, meron akong tiwala dito. Medyo mahal to guys, so, whew. Okay, so ang directions niya is to put proper amount. I'm trying to hide my nails. I can't even. So, konti lang muna yung ilalagay. Tapos, ayan, spread it sa face evenly. Tapos, massage lang. Hala, it's not focusing again. Huwag na lang damihan guys, kasi ayan, konti lang yung nilagay ko and okay na siya sa buong face. Okay. Wow! Hindi siya oily, as in. Yun yung gusto ko sa isang product, kasi yung hindi oily. Kasi napaka-oily ko. Grabe, napaka-init na mukha ko. Okay. Ang ganda niya sa mukha. Let's just see kung ano talaga yung resulta niya. Ewan ko kung kailan ko pa kayo ma-update. But this one, you guys, ang nakalagay doon sa website nila, meron silang cash on delivery, and ito, free shipping yata to. So, ililink ko na lang talaga yung website nila down in the description box. So, kung interested kayo, then go check it out. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe and leave a comment down below suggesting any videos you want to film soon. Until my next video, bye bye. Thank you, Shopping99.